Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will set the Vuforia autofocus mode to fix the blurry camera image. This is vrunitybro. Your game has started. In Assets, right-click, Create, Folder. Name it Scripts. Open the folder, right-click, Create, C# script. Name, Camera Focus, Enter. Double-click to open Visual Studio. Create the method public void Vuforia focus. Add the Vuforia library using Vuforia. In the method Vuforia behavior, camera device set focus mode, parenthesis, and we have the different modes here: normal, trigger, continuous. We need continuous. Let's use this in the void start application, Vuforia application dot instance on Vuforia started equal, copy and paste. Control S to save. You can drag the script to the AR camera, or you can select the AR camera, add component, type camera focus, click, and it's attached. I would like to fix something here. Showing, so I'm gonna fix it quickly. There you go. Okay, Control S to save, Control Alt B. Be sure that the scene is added. Player settings. This is gonna be version 0.2. Add the word focus. Close and build. Name, save. File is ready. Let's test it out. The promotion for this video is, if you subscribe and give us a thumbs up, your eyes will develop laser ray vision.